bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks. Career, salary, and education information. What they do. Bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks helps organizations maintain track of their finances and ensures that they are accurate. Work environment. Bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks work in offices and may do site visits. Some work part-time. How to become one. Most bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks require some post-secondary education as well as on-the-job training. They must have basic math and computer skills, including knowledge of spreadsheets and bookkeeping software. Salary. The median annual wage for bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks is $41,230. Job outlook. Over the next 10 years, employment of bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks is expected to decline by 6%. Technological change and automation are expected to reduce demand for these workers. Job skills. Excellent math skills, good attention to detail, knowledge of frequently used computer technologies, and good record keeping, writing, and communication skills. Licenses, certifications, and registrations. Some bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks become certified. For those who do not have post-secondary education, certification is a particularly useful way to gain expertise in the field. Thanks for watching. To get the latest videos related to career and education, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.